to our K, B, Munch, Yay! Here I have my partner. I named her Blueberry Blossom. Remember we opened the awesome blossom before?
Okay, what do we have to do?
We are going to make a doghouse with a little dog over here. Two-bear gingerbread doghouse kit. Comes with everything you see in here. So, I see a little dog there, like with the dog for the house. You can stick it. They have the snow candies for the bones. These are the bones. These look like bones. Here is the side of the house, and here is the front and the back of the house. And here is icing. There's icing here.
And how many pieces?
And 11.
Okay, what is that, Brianna?
What's this? The bone. Yeah, dogs like to chew stuff to make their teeth shiny. They don't have to brush their teeth, but they can maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, we're hoping to make this kind of doghouse. Are you excited, Blueberry Blossom? Yeah. Let's start opening. Ready, set, There's one more thing left. The red icing. Okay, let's wait. Dog in here. They put some bubble wrap so it doesn't get cracked. Here's the icing. Okay. This is icing.
So what else? And what about this?
Here's the gingerbread doghouse. Because they're here. The bones are in the back right there. See that bone?
Okay, let's open.
Okay, let's open. We have the dog in here. They have bubbles so it won't pop. They have bubbles.
Be careful with the dog's face. It's doggy.
Yeah, it's pretty small. I didn't think it was gonna be small. We can give it a massage or put it in the water. I choose put it in the water. I want to put it in the water because it's take for 1 minute. Okay, so here is where the icing will be. And we can cut a hole so it can come out because we have extra sprinkle for more decoration. So we have the snowflakes. There's blue ones too. We have stockings, green and red stockings. We have these flower stuffs. And we have candy cane. Look, there's a light there. Oh, there's a Christmas tree. And there's little red ball candies and gingerbread. And that's all the stuff they have. Here's the instructions. If you want to read it, pause this. If you want to read it, because we might move all that. Step 1, prepare the cookie. Step 2, prepare the base. Step 3, decorate the bag. 4,
Assemble
the doghouse. Smells like a gingerbread.
What's it smell? Gingerbread.
Okay, now we're gonna put the decorating bag in here. Let's use the scissors to cut. I'm gonna put the frosting in here. good. We poured it in to the batteries. Now we will start the yummy, yummy, tummy, tummy, dummy, 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 dummy. Let's set this aside. We're gonna assemble.
Put it together.
Put
We're gonna.
it together.
Go.
There.
Here.
Okay, I'm doing it. There. Oh man! No.
Okay.
Popping bell. No. You're not eating it. Oh, mine is snowing. Can you help me? For a few minutes so it will hard. Just a little bit. We are waiting for it to get it dry. We are gonna decorate the roof. I'm gonna turn. Here, I've got lots of dog bones. I want to use dog bone. Okay, I'll give you some dog bones. Well, dogs are silly. I don't like dogs. I like cats. But I like dogs first. But I still like them. Like dogs? I gotta put the red cat cane. Here I've got some little lights. I've got lights.
The dog bone.
Dog bone? That's dog bone.
Nice. You're welcome. How was it, Brianna? Good. What do you got there? Gingerbread. You got a dog bone. What else you got? Light.
What
Christmas light. This is Christmas light. Look.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. And the snow.
Hey! Hey, I want to do some too.
And here's the dog. This dog.
He's so cute.
What do you think, Brianna?
Is he cute? Yeah, he's cute. I'm gonna take some. Decoration, 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 decoration.
There you go.
I want the dog to be happy about us because we're making the house for him.
Mm-hmm.
He has to be really happy for what we did. We're gonna eat it. Now let's decorate it.
No, we're gonna take out the cardboard.
Take out the cardboard. Out. Then we can add, hey, decoration, 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 decoration.
Put it in.
For my toys. Show this dog. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. We're gonna eat this giant house. I want to eat the dog. Here. Can I ruin it? Tasting time. Here I got cocoa.
How was it? Good.
And break it and eat the frosting part. There's a rocket. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.